So what's DevNet and why is CCNA DevNet expertise so crucial in today's job market? Well, DevNet is a platform that enables developers to create network-aware applications and unlock the power of network. It's an innovative approach that combines the worlds of networking and software development, requiring a unique set of skills that can make or break one's career in this field. And that's where CCNA DevNet expertise comes in. It is the key to unlocking DevNet success. And there's a significant skills gap in the network automation, and many professionals are struggling to acquire the skills they need to stay relevant. The challenge lies in understanding the complexities of network infrastructure and how to automate tasks using programming languages like Python. Many professionals are stuck in traditional networking roles, lacking the expertise to make the transition to DevNet. The result is a shortage of skilled professionals who can drive innovation and growth in this sector. Another challenge is the steep learning curve associated with network automation. Professionals need to have a deep understanding of network protocols, APIs, and data models, which can be overwhelming for those without programming background.
If you enjoyed the content of the video, don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to our channel.
Moreover, the industry is moving rapidly and it's difficult to keep up with the latest developments and tools in the network automation. Furthermore, many professionals are hesitant to invest time and resources in acquiring new skills, fearing that they might not be applicable in their current job roles. And this fear is understandable given the rapidly changing landscape of the industry. However, what they don't realize is that acquiring CCNA DevNet expertise can open up new opportunities and future-proof their careers. In addition, the lack of hands-on experience in network automation is a major obstacle. Professionals need to have practical experience in automating network tasks, which can be difficult to acquire in a traditional networking environment. And this is where the Cisco Certified DevNet Associate certification or DevNet Associate certification comes in. It provides a hands-on approach to learning network automation, making it an essential tool for those seeking to transition to DevNet roles. So what's the benefits of obtaining the DevNet Associate certification? Well, for starters, it streamlines your path to success in the DevNet roles or network automation roles, you can say, by providing a comprehensive understanding of network automation. You'll be able to automate network tasks using tools like Python, simplify network management, and unlock the power of the network. Moreover, the DevNet Associate certification is a recognized industry standard, making you a highly sought-after professional in the job market. And you don't need to really stop just by doing the DevNet Associate. You can then seek for DevNet Professional, DevNet Expert certification, which will give you even higher responsible jobs. The DevNet Associate expertise can also open up the new career opportunities in the network automation domain, and you will be able to transition to DevNet roles, and you will also be able to drive innovation and growth in the sector. Moreover, you'll be able to command higher salaries and enjoy better job security. The certification is a testament of your skills and dedication in the field, making you a highly respected professional in the industry.